Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect Hollandaise sauce for salmon. Start by gathering all your ingredients. For a perfect Hollandaise, you'll need 3 large egg yolks, 120 grams of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to add that subtle kick. Having everything ready before you begin ensures a smooth and successful process. This classic sauce elevates any salmon dish beautifully. The key to Hollandaise is the emulsion. First, melt your 120 grams of unsalted butter. In a separate heat-proof bowl, whisk the 3 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice until combined. Place this bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Gradually, and I mean gradually, drizzle in the melted butter while continuously whisking. This steady motion prevents the sauce from breaking. Once the sauce begins to thicken and coats the back of a spoon, remove it immediately from the heat. Continue whisking for about 30 seconds off the heat to prevent overcooking. The consistency should be smooth and creamy, not too thin or too thick. Now is the time to season it perfectly with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. If it feels a little too thick, a teaspoon of warm water can loosen it up. Your delicious Hollandaise sauce is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with freshly cooked salmon, adding a luxurious, tangy, and rich flavor. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped chives or parsley. Remember, Hollandaise is best enjoyed fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them properly and reheat very gently over a double boiler to maintain its smooth texture. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.